Hello friends, welcome to Sana's Kitchen. I'm Ritvika. Today I'm going to make Schezwan chicken. In a mixing bowl, take half kg chicken cut into large pieces. Into the chicken add in 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon maida, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Also add some salt to taste. Finally add 2 tablespoon milk. Mix well. Allow the marinated chicken to rest for 30 minutes. Into a bowl add in 10 Kashmiri dry chilies. Pour water onto the chilies and soak it for 15 minutes. Into the pan add in water to boil the chili. Now add in soaked Kashmiri chilies. Cook it for 10 minutes. Once chilies are done, transfer it to a blender. Grind it to a smooth paste. Heat oil for frying the chicken. Once oil is heated, drop the marinated chicken into the oil. Fry the chicken in a medium flame. Fry until the chicken turns brown on both sides. Chicken is cooked well. Now remove it out from the pan and set aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Once oil is heated, add in 1 tablespoon garlic chopped. Fry until the garlic turns golden brown in color. Now add in 1 onion chopped, 1 capsicum chopped. Saute it until onion turns soft. Once onion is done, add in the red chilli paste. Saute until raw smell goes off from the chilli paste. Add 1 teaspoon chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon tomato sauce. Saute well. Add some salt to taste. Add the fried chicken. Mix well so that the chicken gets combined with the sauces. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. Schezwan chicken is ready. Turn off the flame and transfer it to a serving bowl. Schezwan chicken is ready. Do give this recipe a try. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.